Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss important questions on the internal structure of stem, root and leaf for NEET aspirants. Yes, they are very important, you can go through it thoroughly. First one, Sclerenchymatous hypodermis is found in monocot roots, monocot stem, dicot stem, gymnosperm stem. Correct option is monocot stems. Polyarch vascular bundles are usually found in monocot roots, monocot stem, dicot stem. Correct option, monocot roots. Next one, a TS of monocot stem can be distinguished from that of a dicot stem by observing the vascular bundles which are scattered in monocot stem, sunken stomata, cortex, concentric vascular bundles. The correct option is vascular bundles which are scattered in monocot stems. In dicot stems, the vascular bundles are scattered, arranged in a ring. Xylem and phloem are situated alternately amphicribal. Correct option, arranged in a ring. Pith, which forms the central core of the stem, is also known as medulla, epiblema, bast, ground tissue. Correct option is medulla. Vascular bundle is found surrounded by a well-developed sclerenchymatous sheath in monocot roots, monocot stems, dicot roots, dicot stem. Correct option, monocot stem. In some endodermal cells of roots, opposite to protoxylem patches, the inner and outer tangential walls are thin. Such cells are called sclerates, passage cells, epiblema, none of the above. Correct option is passage cells. The function of velamen tissue is protection, absorption of moisture, respiration to provide core. Correct option is absorption of moisture. Conjoint collateral closed, scattered vascular bundles with sclerenchymatous sheath are characteristics of dicot root, monocot stem, monocot root, dicot stem. Correct option, monocot stem. Conjoint bicollateral open vascular bundles arranged in two rings are characteristics of Lagnaria, Cocos, Asparagus, Yucca. Correct option, Lagnaria. Schizolysigenous cavity is found in xylem of dicot stem, in xylem of monocot stem, in xylem of dicot root, in xylem of monocot root. Correct option, in xylem of monocot stem. In which character of a monocot root differs from a dicot root? Open vascular bundle, scattered vascular bundles, large pith, radial vascular bundle. Correct option is large pith. Lateral roots arise from cortex, core cambium, endodermis, pericycle. Correct option is pericycle. Next one, bulliform cells are found on the upper epidermis of many monocot leaves, all dicot leaves, phylloclade, cladodes. Correct option, many monocot leaves. Dorsiventral leaf is found in monocots, dicots, none of the above, both of the above, dicots. Patches of sclerenchyma are found in mesophyll above and below the vascular bundles in monocot leaves, dicot leaves, both of the above, none of the above. Correct option, monocot leaves. Usually, the number of stomata is equal on both surfaces in monocot leaves, xerophytic dicot leaves, hydrophytic dicot leaf, none of the above. Correct option, monocot leaves. Phloem in dicot leaves faces the upper epidermis, lower epidermis, around xylem, in the center of xylem. Correct option, lower epidermis. Curling or rolling of grass leaves on a hot sunny days is brought about by the bulliform cells, transverse cells, mesophyll cells, hormones. It is bulliform cells. Isobilateral leaves are hypostomatic, amphistomatic, epistomatic, astomatic. Correct option, amphistomatic. In monocot leaves, the guard cells are bean-shaped, oval, dumbbell-shaped, none of the above. Correct option, dumbbell shaped. Which one is not found in the leaf of pea? Upper epidermis, stomata, xylem tracheids, hydatodes. Correct option, hydatodes, they are not found in the leaf of pea. In which of the following mesophyll cells is differentiated into palisade and spongy tissue? A dicot leaf, a monocot leaf, xerophytic stem, hydrophytic stem. Correct option, a dicot leaf. In a leaf, protoxylem faces upper epidermis, lower epidermis, central of vascular bundle, none of the above. Upper epidermis. In a normal dicot leaf, the phloem in the midrib faces upper epidermis, lower epidermis, center of vascular bundle, none of the above. Correct option, lower epidermis. Palisade tissue is present on both sides of leaf on Nerium, Eucalyptus, both A and B, wheat. It is both A and B. They are present both in Nerium as well as Eucalyptus. Epistomatic leaf is a Nelumbo nucifera, Nymphia species, Victoria rhizia, all of the above. They are epistomatic leaf is all of the above. Some more few important questions, objectives here. See, a collateral vascular bundle is one in which the xylem and phloem strands are joined with the phloem towards the outside, towards the inside, on both sides of the xylem, all round the xylem. Correct option, towards the outside. In a vertical section of a typical dicot leaf, the phloem in the mid vein is situated facing the upper epidermis, facing the lower epidermis, facing sideways, all round the xylem. Correct option, facing the lower epidermis. The young layers of secondary xylem lies between the pith and primary xylem, just outside the vascular cambium, just inside the cork cambium, just inside the vascular cambium. Correct option, just inside the vascular cambium. The mechanical tissue consisting of a living cells is the sclerenchyma, collenchyma, parenchyma, chlorenchyma. It is collenchyma. Cystoliths are composed of calcium carbonate, calcium oxalate, calcium chloride, none of the above. It is calcium carbonate. The xylem is exarch in the root, stem, leaf, none of. Xylem is exarch in roots. The trunk of a tree increase in girth because of mitotic activity in the vascular tissues, epidermis, meristematic tissue, pith. Correct option, meristematic tissue. Vessels are absent in pinus wood, shisham wood, teak wood, sal wood. It is in pinus wood. A nail was driven into the trunk of a 12-meter tall tree. The distance of the nail from the ground was 2 meters. Assuming that the tree grows in height at the rate of 2 meters per year and that there is no soil erosion, how far will the nail be from the ground after 5 years? 2 meters, 6 meters, 10 meters, 12 meters. It will remain at 2 meters only. Correct option 2. The cross section of the trunk of a tree showed 50 annual rings. The age of the tree is 51 years, 49 years, 50 years, 100 years. Correct option, 50 years. In a 5-year-old stem, the oldest layer of secondary xylem is situated just outside the primary xylem, outside the vascular cambium, on the inner side of the cork cambium, on the inner side of the cork cambium. The correct option is outside the primary xylem. Grafting is not possible in monocotyledons because they have conjoined vascular bundles, scattered vascular bundles, have parallel venation, lack cambium. Correct option, lack cambium. Dermatoxin is a tissue formed by the apical meristem. It develops into the epidermis, the cortex, vascular bundles, none of them. Correct option, the epidermis. Periderm includes cork, cork cambium and cork, cork cambium, cork and secondary cortex, cork and secondary cortex. C is the correct option, cork, cambium, cork and secondary cortex. Commercial cork is a derivative of the xylem, vascular cambium, phallozen, phloem. Correct option is phallozen. Tylosis occurs in the cork, cambium, secondary xylem, secondary phloem. Correct option is secondary xylem. Any doubt anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. Again, we will meet with some more important questions in the next video. Thank you.